for one. Good morning, my dear universe. Here comes a nice day, no matter what the sleepy voices say. Good morning to me and to you. Are we ready for something great and good? Good morning to me and to you.
Luna! Luningning! Asa si Cookie? Cookie! Hi! Good morning! Ayan, nagtatago sila guys. Nag-aantayan ng food. Mamaya na. Di pa ako tapos magluto ng bread with egg.
Asking Glinda all of these questions, asking her is it true, what's going on, all that jazz. Then after, when she's about to leave and she rebubbles one of the munchies,
Charlie!
asks her, is it true?
Minom na ng water. Sige, inom mo na water ha. Yung aking mga alaga. Yan, Charlie and Luna. Si Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Gugutom na ikaw. Nagugutom na. wait lang. Hindi pa to luto. Ayan. Ilalagyan ko kasi ng margarine. Hindi na ako gumamit ng oven, guys. Ayan, nasunog siya, guys. Ayan. Sunog na yung isa. Pero okay lang, masarap naman yan. Ako gumamit. Ginamit ko lang ang kawali and margarine. And with egg. Ayan guys, breakfast muna tayo. Magtitimpla muna ako ng black coffee. Ayan, mag-black coffee tayo guys. Kaunting sugar. Ayan, ganyan lang ako mag-sugar. Ayaw ko naman tamis. Ayan, kumulo na. Lagyan na natin guys ng mainit. Ayan, ganyan ako kadami magkape. Ayan, breakfast time. Ayan, good morning. Good morning sa mga followers and viewers ko dyan. Kain tayo, breakfast tayo guys. Ayan. Sawa ko breakfast tayo. Ayan, nagpaluto kasi din yung anak ko, kaya sumabay na rin akong mag-breakfast. Ang sarap nito guys, toasted bread and with egg and black coffee. Ayan, napakasarap. Kain na tayo. Lagi akong mag-isang nagbe-breakfast kasi yung mga anak ko pumapasok. Yung isa college, yung isa naman grade 10, no? Yung asawa ko may pasok. So, mag-isa lang ako nagbe-breakfast. Yan, masarap to with and black coffee.